In this video, I'll show you how to fix phone dialer app keeps crashing on Android phone. If you found that the phone application is actually keeps crashing and you can't get into that phone application, then here's how you can actually fix the problem. But before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix the phone app crashing problem, the very first thing that you have to do, simply go and press and hold the phone application like this and then tap on app info. And once you're here inside the app info of that phone application, you just need to go ahead and tap on clear data at the bottom right and then tap on clear cache. And tap on clear cache, and once you're done with this process, just get back from here and then force close all the app from the background including the phone application, and then open up the Play Store. And then go ahead and search for phone by Google, and once you get the phone application, go ahead and tap on this one, and if you find the pending update button, go ahead and tap on update button and update your phone application to the latest version. And once you're done with this, force close this one and remove from the background, and then go ahead and restart your phone once. And once you've restarted your phone, most likely your problem is going to be solved and your app crashing problem will be fixed. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.